Now that we are in the live desktop, let's start with a general overview of what you see on the screen. The live desktop is broken into four main areas. Along the top is this title bar, and on the upper left, you'll see some menus. These menus will only appear when the pointer moves into the space. So you'll see right now it says VisU Training, but as soon as I move my pointer up there, the File, Options, Macro, and Workspaces menu appears. On the upper right are some buttons, and each button has a gear that allows you to configure the options for that button. Below that is a multi-view, and this is where we'll see all of the different video sources coming into the system. Below that, we have the switcher panel, and that is these two rows of buttons we see along with some controls on the right side. And then finally, at the very bottom of the interface, we have another bar that has some buttons on the lower left and lower right. Now, if you click on any of these buttons, you'll see that the interface will spring up and you'll see some more controls at the bottom of the screen. This allows you to access things like media players, the audio mixer, the buffers, potentially the automation tab if your system has that. So you can click on any of these buttons to show those parts of the interface. And if you click on the tab that's already selected, that will collapse that area back down again. Now, some people like to run their system in this interface, but I am going to run it with this bottom area open because most people tend to run their TriCaster in this layout. I want you to also notice that there's a switcher and express tab in the middle, and pressing these buttons will change the switcher area in the middle. So this will go to the express switcher, this will go to the standard switcher, and just like these tabs, if I click the one that is currently active, it will collapse that part of the interface. So if your switcher disappears, just click where it says switcher and that will open it back up.